perspective. Why you are here? Why are you here? So you have to know your perspective. You have a dream. You have.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Good
Good evening.
evening, ma'am.
How are you doing?
I am doing awesome. What's about you, ma'am?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. Thank you for asking. Here. I'm Sheetal. I'm from Mysore. Can you please introduce yourself?
I am Puja Kumari. I am from Delhi.
Delhi. Are you a
Yeah.
student or a working professional?
I am right now working.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay. And how long have you been working?
It's around 2 years.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. And how has your experience been?
Yeah, actually, I'm a backend executive in the IT sector, and
Okay.
there I have learned so many things, and also I'm
Mm-hmm.
learning because if I denote myself that I denote myself as a learner, as a student, because we every day we can learn to
Yes.
every. Yeah.
Yes, that is true. That's a good attitude, actually. Wonderful. Here. Would you like to speak about the topic that's mentioned in the session notes? It is
Yeah,
conditional
sure.
situations. Have you gone through the material?
Yes, I have.
Okay. What will you do in the first situation where you are invisible? If you become invisible for a day, what are you going to do? Are you going to be mischievous and are you going to do something wrong? Or will you use it to your benefit?
I will basically, if I am visible in for a day, then I will firstly I will learn new things. Okay, like I will go to the library. Okay, there was because there is this some kinds of schedule time foundation. So I will go there and learn some
Mhm.
new things. Secondly, I will do that. I will help some anonymous people. Means we which they are very needy. I will help them.
Mhm.
Any
Mhm.
kind of like surprise gifts or like some kind of help which will be possible for me. I will do that.
But
Thirdly,
why do you want to be invisible for
yeah
that? If
yeah
you have to help somebody, why should you be invisible?
yeah, because I am getting a chance to be invisible for a day, and like
Yeah.
if I am visible,
Uh-huh.
yeah.
You
So
can help people even when you're visible, right?
because when I am visible, then some kind of restrictions I have because sometimes I want to help to somebody, but
Mm-hmm.
that time I had no money. I had some not that things to help them. So if I am visible, then I will definitely help that kind of thing, something which is really needed. I will help that people which is very really needed and very really needed to wants to need. So,
Yeah.
so
So for
that's
that, you
why.
can be visible.
Yeah,
I think what you're trying to say is that you'll probably grab some resources, which probably is not yours. But then again, you can use that and then give it to the right people. Yes, for that,
yes,
you need to be invisible, of course.
yes.
Yeah. All right, then. Here. The second situation says that you have lots of money, enough money to give away. So, who are you going to help and how? How are you going to utilize the money?
Can you repeat, ma'am?
If you have enough money to give away,
Hmm,
who would you
hmm.
help and how?
Okay. I will help who is poverty means who is living who wants to educate herself or himself, but I will help like a child. I want to educate them because if they educate, then definitely our India, our country will grow. because
Mm-hmm.
uh, if we educate to one person, then in future in next generation will educate it to other people. So I will
Mm-hmm.
help them. So if I have lots of money, I will help to child educate. educate, and secondly I will help to like cancer patients, because many people wants to live, want, they have so many dreams. Basically if I tell that what I say, like
Mm-hmm.
women have lots of dreams, lots she wants to do
Mm-hmm.
anything in her life, but some
Mm-hmm.
criteria, some facts, they don't have that kind of resources, that kind of support system. So
Mm-hmm.
thirdly, this is the third part, I'm going to help help them actually, so they
Mm-hmm.
can develop independent, financially independent. When they financially independent, because girls have power. Girls have power to bring us a newborn baby. Girls have power to like if I educate, if I help one people, one girl, like if I'm saying the one story also, means in my past experience, one girl actually I had done NLP practitioner. I had done. So that time I means one girl, she was very means in depressed situation. She was like in suicidal thoughts. So they she came to me on the random talk in the Telegram chatting. So came to me and she told me that, ma'am, I don't want to, I didn't want to leave. I wanted to suicide. So that time I really think about it. I really thought about it, and I talked to him, and then told him that if you this means if you end your life, then what is your perspective? Why you are here? Why are you here? So you have to know your perspective. You have a dream. You had a dream that you want to be a like become a doctor. She wanted to become a doctor. So but her parents is was forcing him to marry, and she was only 12 years old. Okay, 12, no, sorry, 18 years old. So that time I helped him, and right now she was very happy. She was pursuing her dreams, and I'm happy. That's why, because one girl right now, if she become a doctor, then she helped many people in future. She will help. So that time thought, no, one person help, that you are helping a lots of generation. So it's not one person, it's like many generation we are helping to each other. So if I have lots of money, then I will help definitely. Basically I will help first child education, and also ladies, girls empowerment. I have
Wonderful.
also
Wonderful.
motivate.
That's a beautiful thought. I hope you get to help more and more people. And you
Yes,
did the right thing. Thank you for being such a positive energy towards that girl. You influenced her in a very positive
yes,
manner,
ma'am.
right?
Actually,
Yes.
I was really happy right now. And
Yes.
whenever I am also I am also in sad mood or something like that happen in our life, day to day life, because we are not all time up the upside.
Yeah.
All time
Yes.
we
Yes.
have a downside. So that time I realized that, Puja, you did it. So you have
Mm-hmm.
to do
So
it,
this
because
motivates you.
lots of people are waiting for me. So
Nice.
I have to do it.
That's very nice. All right. Here are some of you spoke beautifully. Here are some of the mistakes that I've noted down.
Yeah.
What's about you? What about you? Not what's about you. S is not required there. What about you? I denote myself as a learner. I call myself or I consider myself as a learner. Which they are needy, who are needy, not which. I want to help to somebody. I
Okay.
want to help somebody who is not required there. If they educate them, if they are educated, then, or if they get educated, then, and then continue the sentence. If we educate to one person, if we educate one person, two is again not required there.
Okay.
Firstly, I will help to child educate. No. Firstly, I will help uh, children, help, or you can say, I will provide education to children. That's better.
Okay.
Firstly, I will provide education to children, or I will work towards children's education, both of them. Next, woman, women. So the pronunciation of singular is woman, and plural will be women.
Women.
Yes. They can develop financially independent. They can become financially independent. I will help them so that they can become financially independent. I'm saying one story. I'm going to narrate a story. I'm not saying one story. I'm going to narrate one story.
Okay.
I had done LLB practice. I used to practice. Right?
I used to.
Yes. She came to me on random talk on Telegram. She she sent a message randomly on a platform called Telegram or on Telegram. That's it.
Women.
I want to suicide. She mentioned that she wanted to commit suicide.
Commit. Oh,
Ah. What is your perspective? I think instead of perspective, you can use the word purpose. Okay, perspective is different. Perspective is your idea about something. Okay, whereas here you have to use the word purpose. I asked her what her purpose is in life, and she mentioned that she wants to become a doctor. She wanted to become a doctor. Her parents was forcing her. Parents is plural, right? So were. Her parents were
okay.
forcing her to get married. Right now she was very happy. Right now she is very happy. She helped many peoples. Peoples is wrong because people itself is plural. You do not require s along with it. She has helped many people. If it is future, she will help many people.
She will. Yeah, it will be judged.
Yes. We are not always upside. I think what you are trying to say is that life always has ups and downs. We go through many ups and downs. We cannot always be happy, right?
Yeah.
Yes. I really appreciate how positive you are, and I can tell that in another say 30, 40 sessions you'll be much better because you're fluent as it is. You just have to concentrate on the grammatical errors here and there. Okay, this
Okay.
is just your fourth session, right? So the more and
Yeah.
more conversations you have with the trainers, you will get better and better. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay.
So what
I'm
do I
going to
do, ma'am, for this improvement?
keep having more and more conversations, and at the same time make it a point to read on a regular basis. Okay, even if you read the session notes provided by the Clapingo, that's good enough. There are
Okay.
in each session notes, I think there will be good 20 or 30 words, right? So
Mm,
use those words and make some sentences. Okay,
okay.
solve the exercises, have conversation about it with the trainer. That itself will help. Apart from this, if you can read novels or maybe some storybooks, even children's storybooks, or some articles, that will be good enough. If you're too busy, you can listen to audiobooks.
Okay.
All right, then here I'm going to give you some words now. You have to make sentences using that. The first word is annoyed. Annoyed is somebody gets
Very.
irritated, angry.
Yeah.
Can you
Okay.
please frame a sentence using annoyed? Don't give me the
And
meaning.
now,
I want the sentence.
okay.
Hmm.
I annoyed with my friend because she
Mm-hmm.
mm,
I
I
am annoyed. I am
I
annoyed.
am
Hmm. I am annoyed as my friend did not invite me to the party.
yeah. Okay. I'm annoyed. Means, ma'am, am and annoyed is it's a
I
past
am
tense.
annoyed. You're talking about present, right? If it
Okay.
is past, you'll say I was annoyed.
Okay.
I was annoyed when my friend did not invite me to the party. I
Invite
am
me.
annoyed as my friend hasn't invited me to the party. I will be annoyed if my friend will not invite me to the party.
Okay.